What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that like button, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Today we're out here with Bad Company, and we found him going down a hill over a log towards me. It wasn't that challenging. But actually what we've actually found ourselves in is a little race here. I'm talking to the camera.
What'd you say?
I said we found ourselves in a little bit of a race here.
Oh, yeah.
I'm talking to the camera, alright?
Let me try to double this first.
You don't get a warm-up lap.
I'm not gonna do the whole thing. Do this. How much speed it forces me. If you're gonna force me to have this shitty line,
You chose the lines.
then I'm just gonna cross into you.
Fine, fight me. We are right here at the Sea of Whoops. And Bad Company and I are gonna have ourselves a little race across them. This is a very challenging and tricky area, as anybody that's ever ridden on Whoops knows that they're treacherous and terrible and the worst and designed by Satan. Last time we did this, I had narrowly scathed the victory after nearly hitting a tree. And hi.
I hit a false neutral and I dropped.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Now I got sand on my grips. This isn't a fair race.
These things are brutal.
Well, and you gotta commit.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the second you bail, you're gonna get into a fucking tank slapper.
And night night.
You're gonna get into a fucking tank slapper. And night night.
Yeah. Alright, on three, okay? On three. Yeah, 1, 2, go. Oh, hold on. False start, hey. That was unfortunate. Remember, kids, if you're gonna race, be sure that you make sure that you're in gear. I wasn't in gear.
I like that. Do I get that as a handicap?
What's that?
Do I get that as a handicap? 31 out of 3?
I don't think so. Scoop in the air, scoop in the air.
Yeah, that's what's wrong. It's too warm in there.
I think it's my hair dragged across the lens and it smudged it.
So, hair. Dude, I'm telling you, I can make you one of these.
I don't want your barrettes.
It's gonna keep your fucking hair out of your face. You're gonna be happy.
I don't want your barrettes.
You want it. It's just a headband. Jesus. Fine, suffer.
Fine, I will suffer.
You're gonna suffer when we're in Montana. 3 days you're riding, pushing your hair out of your fucking face.
Yeah. And you know what? I'll be happy about it because when I take it off, I'll be gorgeous. All right. Oh, nope. I didn't like it. I did not like that. Oh my God. Oh no.
We have no, like, finish line.
I did not like that.
I saw you. Pulled off. I was like, whoa, whoa, whoa.
I was like, oh, here we go. It's time to die.
You held it.
I was trying to grab it with my legs, and it was just like, goosh, goosh. Every whoop, it was a different direction. And I was like, oh.
That's over the look. That's what I was talking about. That's what happened.
All right. exact same thing I did. You liked my trick last time so much you decided to copy it. Yeah. I had a bum start. I couldn't get up off the line. That like incline I was sitting on, I just fucking dug a hole. I was like, no!
I was much faster there than I was the other time, other than I didn't let off. Yeah.
You were faster. Like even when I opened it up, I wasn't catching you. But I just had a bum start. Otherwise, I think we would have been pretty close. And then when you started hopping around, I cut it out. And we found a mysterious dead animal. It would appear there was a massacre here.
Some got eaten out. Holy cow. Fucking brutal.
Somebody didn't like porcupines.
They just ripped its head and spine out, or what?
I think it was shot. It has holes in it. It's got like shotgun pellets. I think someone blasted it with a shotgun.
Just knocked your ball right on the tail.
I hunt.
All right.
No, it looks like someone blasted it with a shotgun and then coyotes or something must have eaten it. Because it's got like little puncture holes all over the flesh. I remember. You have a video of it. Yeah, he crashed. This is right on the corner of the bad company crashed. Go check it out on his channel. Link always in the description. Alright, kiddies. Time to test the true skill here. I'm about to jump the biggest log I've ever jumped in my life. That's easily 3.5 feet. No kicker. Oh, that was a sloppy one. I didn't get my clearance on that. Let's try that again. No kicker. 3.5 feet. That's the biggest I've ever done. Not bad considering this is my first real-time jumping logs this year. Be sure to hit that like button, and of course don't forget to subscribe. I'm Ulrich27. Ooh. And that's bad company. Be sure to hit that like button. And until next time, peace.